Do well to subscribe to my channel for more of these healthy recipes. And today we are going to be making a green smoothie. We're going to start right ahead with 2 bananas, ripe bananas. I'm using about 4 dates. I've removed the seeds, and you should too. And then we'll go ahead and use the juice of 1 whole lemon, half a cucumber, ice cubes. Yeah, you can see the ice cubes very well. And then we'll use coconut water, coconut milk, and then for the vegetables you're using kale and parsley and a small root of ginger. So we'll throw the coconut water in the blender, the coconut milk, our ice cubes, and then we'll throw in the vegetables, the parsley, the kale, the ginger, and then we'll go ahead and put our cucumber, our dates, the juice of 1 lemon, our bananas, and close it up for blending. Blend and blend and blend until it is very, very smooth. And then our juice is ready. How green! Ooh! Trust me, this was so delicious. Just give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes in the comment section. Just dress your juice with anything you want to. I use the lemon and enjoy. It's so delicious. Thank you for watching this video. Do like it, do subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye.